driving home, they had a dog in the road. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your girl Amara Tajay, and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What's good? Good morning. It is 10:09 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. Did y'all sleep well? I slept good. I slept real good. Yeah. But today is Friday, the 27th, January 27th. And yeah, so I decided to vlog today because I got some stuff to do today, so I'm gonna just take y'all with me. I just woke up, that's up my mind. But yeah, I'm about to go take a shower and all that and get ready for the day. Cause yeah, we got some errands to run, things to do, content to make, money to make. Like, stop playing. It's 2023. It's all about saving, getting your money, and just moving on to the next level in your life, period. But y'all, let's talk about this light though. It is the light from Amazon. Go purchase it. I really recommend it. You know, it's looking good. Look at the lace. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I got a hair appointment coming up, so don't worry y'all. But the lace still lacing. Let's see if it's still lacing. Still lacing. Stop playing scalp. But I'm about to go in the shower and all that, and I'm gonna see y'all whenever I see y'all. Y'all, I think this girl tried to scam me just now, but no, not about to get me. No. Let me tell y'all, so just like a little Instagram friend that I got or whatever. Like, I never met her in person. I don't know her. I just know her from Instagram. So she came texting me talking about, I gotta talk to you about something. I gotta ask something. I'm like, like, I don't even know you. So like, what you want, my girl? But no, I was like, okay, but question for I said, do you know me in person? And you know all that, and do you feel comfortable talking to me? So she just texted me back, if it's really her, y'all. It's show like she trying to log in her Instagram, but she need my phone number to send a link. Suspicious, no. Hey, buddy. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract down, no baby. In the meantime, hey y'all, we back. I got the shower, brushed my teeth and everything. Now I'm about to start my makeup and hair, you know. But the plan for today, y'all, the plan for today is, what I gotta do? I gotta go to the store to pick up a couple of items. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go to the car wash to clean out my car because it's about that time. And I gotta go take some pictures for my Instagram. And I'm gonna try to film a YouTube video. I'm gonna try if I have enough time. But yeah, that's the plan for today, for a day. It's not really a full day, but it's a lot of things I gotta do. But yeah, but watch me get ready and all that. Yeah, enjoy the music.
I ain't never had nobody do me like that. Every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come up, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I'll make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick. Who's like the angel? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with. Feelings, so deep in your feelings. No saying you like me. You control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling.
me all the things that you done shown me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what she told me, and I believe it. Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my flight, my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. That Alabama, I'm a Louisiana. I'm with that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas battle. I got hot sauce in my pants when I see it.
I know it's not a challenge anymore. I get some members with me in the fridge, get cold seats, they some cannibals. They like the king.
Hey y'all, so I'm done with my makeup. I ain't put my lashes on yet because I gotta go buy some more, but it still look a little natural look, you know. Yeah, so we about to go head to the bathroom to do my hair, so that's cool. Alright y'all, we in the bathroom. Yeah, I'm starting to go outside. I'm trying to control myself and not say nothing and just, oh Lord, y'all. Y'all control your mouth. Y'all control your mouth. I'm trying to push my mouth. Because I know I got an attitude, y'all. And my attitude get real bad. I know this. So I'm just trying to keep cool and not say nothing. But it's about to come out. But I'm going to keep it cute. Keep it cute. Keep it cute. Keep it cute. What I'm going to do to my hair today. I like the way you look like this. I like the way you look like. No, I want it bigger. I think I want it a little bit bigger for the outfit I got. Which is giving me go big or go home. Yeah, I was trying to do them little space buns, but it wasn't working out right. So I just said, forget it. I can't do it. Why these things so high? Let me see. And then, oh, I said something about a little bun. Can I do a bun, y'all? Let's see. See what it's giving the girls. Because if it's red, I don't know. Let's just brush it out and see. See what the get down is. You know.
I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning.
Alright, y'all. First part of this outfit are these leather pants I got from Shein. So let's, yeah, I've been had these pants. I got so many clothes, y'all, that I never took pictures in. I don't know. It just, I don't know, y'all. I just got a lot of clothes. And I got shoes too, y'all. Like, I got these pink boots that I bought a while ago. And I ain't take no pictures in them yet. And they're so cute, y'all. And I gotta take a picture in them before winter ends. Well, winter almost over, but I need a picture in it. Like, ASAP. So I need somebody to do it. My bad, y'all. We had a little nip slip. Yeah, whatever. It's the bodysuit I'm wearing, y'all. But, okay, I put the pants on before the bodysuit. So let's see how we gonna do this. Okay, this will be working with. Yes, this will be working with all the big booty holes, you know. So let's put on my other shirt. Ooh. This the shirt I put over the shirt. Let's see. I might have did some. Yeah, I might have did some. Let's see if I got a drip or not. I got a drip for sale. Ooh, okay. I might have just did something. It's cute. It's giving. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna pair it with this chain I got for Forever 21. Let me show y'all. It's like an evil eye inside of a heart. It's cute. I had more chains because y'all wanted to have like layered chains with this, but they broke and I'm so upset. So now I gotta go get some more. Oh, stupid Shein. But I'm gonna start shopping because that's my game, you know? You're like, but yeah, this I'll do, I guess. Is this turned the right way? Yeah, it's turned the right way. So with this, I don't know what shoes to wear. I think for the bag, y'all, I think I'm gonna do this one. This one, I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. Yeah. For the aesthetic. I forgot what shoes, y'all know shoes. One moment. Alright, y'all, so I'm done getting dressed. These are the shoes I picked. Look at my mess on my rug, but yeah, the fit. We finna go to the stores, take these pictures, and come back home. So yeah, first stop, y'all, is latches, because I need my latches ASAP. So let's go to the car. Y'all, it's like chilly outside, but it feels good. Like, it's not too cold, too hot. It just feels good. But yeah, let's get on our way. I miss my, y'all, I keep thinking about my lashes because like I need my lashes. Who is Amari without her lashes? Like, needs a pair every time. I got lashes, but I want a new pair because I don't like those anymore. So. Anyways, y'all, hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. How y'all doing? I'm Amarita J. I'm lit, I'm goofy, you know, I don't care. I can't say what I want to say because I'm trying to keep it cute on here, keep it family friendly, yeah. But I'm gonna do a video about me and all that, y'all. But y'all gonna see me anyway, cause like, I'm just that, I don't know. Yeah. But while we on the car ride, I'm 19 years old. I'm a Sagittarius. My birthday December 15th. My career choice is a Instagram influencer with fashion and beauty, lifestyle, all that, and a YouTuber. And then as I get older, I may want to start a blog for the not for the girls, but like for everybody. Like, the blog gonna be about fashion, advice, about life, outfit ideas, just everything. Girl talk, you know? It's gonna be a great name. Yeah. And I always wanted to be a writer because I like to write books, I like to talk, and I like deep conversation. In my mind, y'all, I got a wild imagination. Like, I just be thinking about buku stuff, and I ask questions nobody else gonna ask, and I say stuff nobody else gonna say, and I want to put all of that in my writing. So like, I know I can write some good books. I know I can. And what else? What I'm gonna tell y'all? I forgot. I'm almost at the hair store. Yeah, the hair store like down the street from my house. So I'm gonna speak to y'all at the store. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I didn't vlog in the store because I just got one thing, and I was in there for like 5 seconds. But this selections I got, y'all, I got these. I never had these before, so yeah. And I got these ones. Let's see which ones I want to put on. I'm gonna put on right in this parking lot is, I think I'm gonna put on these. Cause like, yeah, I'm extra. So let's do that. I bought my whole own thing, y'all, so I stay prepared. Flash glue. I'm not with hair glue anymore. I am with lash adhesive. Let's put it on. Y'all, I be driving so close to the wheel, it makes no sense. No sense. Y'all, my lace looking nasty. Ew. Yes, but it's just for a picture. I don't even see it, but this how they looking, y'all. I think they gonna do for like a little bit. Yeah, but let's go to the car wash and vacuum these floors. Do I want to get a car wash? I mean, I need one. I know what, I might as well just go get a car wash because right now, I mean, yeah, let's go.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. Really be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking eat like that I'm mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini beans.
Alright, y'all, I'm done. So I'm about to clean out the car now. Y'all don't see, I never vlogged in public.
If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby.
Alright, y'all, I'm done. The car's now clean. Yeah, that's my steering wheel cover. I was trying to put it on, but I can't. So I'm gonna need somebody to help me with that. But yeah, y'all, ain't no way my car should have had that much fucking shit in this thing. That's why I hate people riding my car. Like just everything. Oh, hold up, y'all. Hold up. Cause I'm about to just turn like this, bitch. There's shit on in the fucking way. Y'all, I'm vlogging outside. Y'all can't even see me. But y'all just scratching my arm and that hurt is so bad. And then I scratched it on my new tattoo. So you know it hurt. I'm scared, y'all. I never vlogged out. People probably looking at me. I'm scared. But yeah, let's go. Oh y'all, I don't think I like my outfit. I'ma still go take some pictures, but I don't think I like my outfit for real. Like, look at it. It's cute, but it's just different from me. I don't know. But we gonna see how these pictures turn out. And what else I need to do?
I said, what's wrong? She said,
I really forgot what I needed, y'all. I just know I needed some razors. What else I needed? I'm gonna go to the other store to get my soap. Let's see what they got back here. Yeah, I had to get like 2 things out of here and I cannot remember what they was. I might just give me a piece of y'all to eat because I'm hungry. I don't want to spend no money, y'all. I don't want to spend money if I'm trying to give me a piece of crazy. Alright, y'all, so I went to all the stores I need to go to. I got what I need to get. I kind of forgot one thing, but it's okay. It's not good that important. But I made it to my photo taking location. I'm about to freshen up my lips, put some lip gloss on. I gotta pee. I gotta pee now, y'all. Yo, I forgot. I cut my nails up. I hope that make them look stupid. Ugh. Oh, yo, I'm struggling. Oh, what the hell with the nails, the lashes, girl? What is going on? What's going on? Yo, they had some fine men though, y'all. They looking at you like, hey, fat, what's that? What's up? I'm single, big single, yo. I hope they wasn't talking about my lace, cause y'all, it don't look bad on camera. Ooh, now it do. Ooh, yeah, I went outside like that. Ah! But it shouldn't show my picture. I hope not, y'all, cause I'm gonna be so mad if it do. So mad. Well, let's take these pictures, y'all. Y'all want to see some behind the scenes? Yeah. Y'all, people be asking me if I be scared to take pictures in public places. Sometimes no, sometimes yeah. I mean no, because I know I look good. They see I look good, so what I gotta be scared for? And people gonna stare regardless. So I mean, you know. Oh well. Hey girl, follow me, subscribe to me. It's my tripod. Let me get out the car. This is my tripod, y'all. I got it from Amazon. This the background location. And y'all, what I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do, and my phone died. Y'all. So I'm just about to take my pictures, y'all. I'm gonna try to get some behind the scenes from y'all on this phone, but I'm so upset because when I left the house, it was charged. What's really going on, fam? But I'm gonna take these pictures, and yeah. This how we looking though, y'all. This how we looking. I don't like it. No, I don't. But I need a thumbnail picture though, so you know. Hey y'all, so I'm taking pictures right here. I don't like them. I don't like them. The outfit cute, I guess, but it's just not giving. It's not. So I'm about to just go home because this was a fail. It was a fail. All right, y'all. So update. I changed my angles on the way I was taking my pictures, and we probably got some. I'm gonna go check them out when I get home. I hope we got some, y'all, because I need to make a post ASAP. But I'm about to go to the bank to get this money and go home. And yeah, you know what to know. Yeah, I cannot believe my phone died. Like, I'm so upset. I'm really so upset. But my mood a little bit better, as y'all can see. Yeah. Chocolate Girl, Amarita J. Follow me, subscribe, follow, repost, do all of y'all. But let's go to the bank and get this money. Y'all go online to Prada. I'ma put the Instagram right here. Go to the Instagram, to their website and shop. Use my code Amari with 2 I's 333 for 30% off your order. And yeah, they got some little cute comfortable sets. They got pajamas, they got apparel, they got bra sets, bralettes, they got all of y'all. So go over to their page, their website, go shop, use my code, and yeah. Y'all, she's taking my money. I'm so upset, y'all. So upset, but I'm gonna make it back. But she's taking my money. Hey y'all, I just got back home and I changed my pants because like, I don't want it to be comfortable. I'm gonna change this too, but I want to take some videos first. But I'm about to go fix my PC, y'all, because I'm hungry. I ain't eat nothing all day. What time it is? It is, oh shit, I'm all discombobulated, y'all. I'm sorry. It is 2:25. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. Yeah. I had to tell y'all something. I forgot though. Let's go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. DJ, you wanna be in my vlog?
What you doing?
This is my cousin, y'all. My YouTube.
What it is,
This is gang, you know. What's up? Yeah, and y'all gonna meet my sister later, y'all. She got a channel too. So go subscribe to her, you know, promote. Look at this light, period. I love it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, go get that Amazon light. What's up in here?
Potatoes, man.
How long it's gonna take?
What you gonna do?
Make my pizza. Want some? I know. So y'all, we gotta wait for that. But I'm about to go take some videos. Yeah. Hey y'all, I almost forgot the vlog, but I made my pizza. And I'm watching Jenny and Georgia. So that's what I'm about to do. Yo, I took a little nap. Look at my hair. But you see the lights. I don't think I'm doing nothing for real. Yeah, I'm just about to go back and watch YouTube, to be honest, y'all. This day went how I expected, a little bit, but not really. But you know. I'm hungry though, y'all. Not even hungry, just a little snack or something. I'm real pretty. I don't know. If I do something, I'm gonna let y'all know and I'm gonna vlog it, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. Y'all hear it? I don't know, yo. Better light it, but we finna go to McDonald's, y'all. Mama's get in my vlog, mom. Mama won't be in my vlog. Yo, they be mean. Y'all, we came to Walmart. Ooh, I'm stepping on my shoe. Look how I look, y'all. I got on white socks with some tan slides and this pink cardigan. No. This is my sister, y'all. My little sister. No. And that's my mama. Say here to the vlog, y'all. Say here to YouTube. They don't want to talk to y'all. They being mean. But yeah. Y'all, crazy part is I work at this Walmart. Crazy. Oh, look who I see. Outpack. But yeah. And I'm hungry, y'all, but I'm not like hungry. I just need something inside my system, you know? You girl shit. Hold up, y'all. I'm finna go take a video for my Instagram. Y'all be eating it. I be eating it when I'm like, I don't know. Do I want this for real? I don't think I want this for real. Wait, Cherry, you gotta come get this. Why? It's wrong? Look at me, it's wrong? Huh? Oh no, what's wrong with this? I'm still gonna be hungry, but that's okay. Because I hate vlogging on this phone, y'all, because they don't got no storage on here. No. Do I have the camera on me right now? No, I don't. Yeah, I feel like everybody's staring at me. Oh well, I look cute. Hold on, I'll show y'all my outfit. Y'all can't even see for real. But let's go. How you gonna react if I come home pregnant? But my mama said she waiting for me to have a baby so she could spoil it. So she could spoil it. Look, for real, that's what you told me. She gonna spoil it after 15 minutes. Cherry, make sure question. How you gonna react if I come home pregnant? You gonna be happy? I don't. What's the real? Yeah, so we about to go check out. I look ashy a little bit.
We need to play Roblox.
My face ashy.
We need to play Roblox.
This is ugly.
The one that they have last. We need to play Roblox.
Huh?
We need to play Roblox.
Debbie, you be tripping, sir?
How?
I'm gonna come over there, bro. I be busy and tired. I was out all day, ma. Like, for real. I went to take pictures. I went clean a car. I was doing a lot.
You clean the car?
Yes, I did. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to go to Subway and get me a sandwich. The nigga hungry. I would have called some of my best things. But I don't see him, y'all. Y'all be eating Subway? What y'all be eating at Subway, y'all? Yeah, with the yeah. I just want a little plain stuff, that's it. Ain't no extra stuff. Just right now. You secured the bag secured. Now you about to go back home. And yeah. Oh, we driving home. They had a dog in the road.
I don't see him.
It's gone. Don't tell the world. It's gone, y'all. No, it's right there.
What is that?
before they stole somebody's dog.
I'm not saying no, that's somebody's dog.
No, it's not. It's so cute. I'm about to open the door. Come here. Duck. Duck. He's coming. He's coming. Hurry up. Come here. I'm about to pull off. Doggy. He not coming? Yeah, he. This is a dog. This is a dog.
That's yours? Oh, I was about to take a picture so put them on Facebook.
That man said, oh.
What he say?
I don't know what he said. He said, oh.
He said, yes. Take your dog, man, because you lucky we was about to grab him.
What? Hey, y'all, I'm back home for eat my sandwich because now I'm hungry. At first I wasn't hungry. Oh, I'm wasting it. But now I'm hungry. I made a mess. I'm going to clean it. Y'all got me a plain tuna toasted footlong because that's what I wanted. I was craving a tuna sandwich. I got me a tuna sandwich. Yo, we almost jacked somebody's dog, son. If that man ain't come outside, he would have been out of a dog. Yo, my ex texted me. Am I texting him back? Yeah. He said he gonna call me later. Bet. But anyway, yeah, I need something to watch on Netflix because I finished my show. So I need something else to watch. Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. I'm watching Jenny and Jordan now. The second season. Ooh. Y'all, my tripod in the room. And it think you falling. So I'm about to eat this, y'all. And this is gonna be at the end of the vlog. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below for more video ideas. Comment anything like, hey y'all. Ooh. Introduce yourself. Say hey to me. Hey, I am Amarita J. I'm going to be back with more content, more lit content, yeah. Follow me on all of my social medias. Repost me, like me, subscribe, all that, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.